Hello everyone, you are watching the live show of WOODiscover Factory Tour. I'm the host, Grace Wu. The 2022 Wood Taiwan have been transformed into a unique and brand new digital event, online exhibition and DigitalGo. Due to the pandemic, we cannot meet each other face-to-face in the physical show. However, I'm going to bring you know more about our exhibitors and their factories. If you have any questions, please leave your questions at our chat box, and we will answer the question at Q&A section. So, without any further ado, I would like to welcome Mike Liu to introduce their brand and service. Hi, Mike.
Hello, my name is Mike from KUANG YUNG Machinery, and I would like to introduce my company a little. Our company was the second woodworking machinery established in Taiwan since 1960. And we acquired a CE, German TÜV, ISO 9001 certificate. On the other hand, our main products, we have multiple saws and movable saws and straight line rip saws and also cut-off saws. Our products have sold to many countries such as Germany, United States, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and Japan. And the features of our company, of the machine, we have the scanning system with auto feed, which can optimize your ripping pattern and also reduce labors and save manpower. So you can avoid defect of the board, also obtain the best yield, and of course with higher productivity. Okay, so that's the little intro of our company. And going on next, let's take a look at the short video.
What is the DNA of KUANG YUNG? There are three main elements: the solid foundation on machine knowledge, an innovative mind, and the mission to always envision the future woodworking manufacturing trend. Our KUANG YUNG was started in 1960. We were the second woodworking machinery company to be registered in Taiwan. Soon in 1971, we started building our very first multiple rip saw and straight line rip saw. This was also the time when we started accumulating much knowledge on woodworking machinery. In 1989, we entered the global market by joining a foreigner exhibition in Jakarta, Indonesia. It has largely benefited us in learning the division's woodworking demand for the different parts of the world. Until today, KUANG YUNG brand is already equal to the good standard rip saw machines. KUANG YUNG always reminds itself to keep an innovative mind. Woodworking machine is often considered as a comparatively traditional labor-oriented equipment. However, back in 1997, we have already designed our very first model of optimizing cross cut-off saw. And later in 2002, we went to another step further on this and building our first optimizing rip saw. And in 2011, we worked with a USA brand and incorporate the wood scanner system onto our machines. We know the value in putting technology into traditional machines will soon be the directive for the woodworking industry in near future. And this is now began proven the day's woodworking industry. KUANG YUNG also understands the importance of building a standard within the production line. We designed the standard for our streamlined building process. We also constantly adding in new suitable software for both the machine design and the fabrication. and we have been cooperating with various partners in Taiwan and in Europe or the USA to research for more possibilities on our machineries. KUANG is not only a smart ripsaw builder, but our aims is to always thinking one step ahead of the next generation woodworking technique. It has become a custom to KUANG that we will keep our clients' interested at heart, and KUANG will always try to envision and satisfy the need for every of our customers.
The next manufacturer is also a W Team member and specializes in sawing machines. Let's welcome KUANG YUNG.
KUANG YUNG develops various saw machines. Wood is alive. It has bark, irregular edges, or knots. Our optimizing movable ripsaw system has a smart scanning function. It can judge automatically by mathematical calculation, avoiding defects and getting the best acquisition rate from material of different sizes. The goal is to help the user save manpower, boost capacity, and in the end, to meet the goals of saving energy and reducing carbon output.
Integrated smart production lines are the focus of demand in today's market. What applications does KUANG YUNG have in this area?
As one part of Taiwan's W Team solid wood finger jointing production line, KUANG YUNG's optimizing movable ripsaw with scanning system can select good wood and directly feed it for processing, combining smart automatic infeed and outfeed system. With a 4-side molder and finger jointing machine, the wood moves from station to station without touching the floor. It optimizes the overall production line to save 50% of manpower and raise production capacity by over 30%.
Thank you, KUANG YUNG.
这个三合院是我爷爷建的嘛，历史已经超过100年了嘛。那我们公司1960到目前来讲也60年了。那希望KUANG这个事业像我爷爷一样，建立这房子能超过100年。我们要如何把这个历史传统把它延续下去？我想持续的创新，跟着时代去做改变，这个部分是非常重要的。We are the second beginning Mac woodworking company in Taiwan. We chose our main product is the sewing machine, ripsaw and the cut-off saw. Right now, my company more than 90% is exported. The local market is less than 5%. The biggest manufacturer woodworking is Germany, second is Italy. If your machine want to have a good quality, you should sell to the European. But European, you need the CE certification. So the CE is very important for my company. We want to show KUANG the machinery. The most important, we not only want to make cutting-edge machine, but also we want to offer the machine is affordable. Why the smart machine? Because the young generation, they don't want to do this kind of the field. And also the good technician in factory, they are getting old. The material are getting more and more expensive. So only the smart machine can solution the problem. In 1998, I think the CNC machine, the smart machine is a future trend. For the Taipei show, the machine that specialized first of all is smart machine. It can scanner and automation and movable ripsaw. Also, they can give the customer the report. I think the most important is this machine can save the material, save the manpower. Also, it can cut in and directly glue join the product. If traditional machine maybe need 15 person, but my machine only 4 person. My company have a different range of the product, so depends on the customer. We can offer a suitable machine for the customer. Even we also can customer made for some requests, like in-feed, out-feed system, let the machine more automation, match for the green product, automation, and the customer made for the Taipei show. Welcome to visit Wood Taiwan show.
Hi, Mike. Thanks for your information. And I think we can move to the Q&A section, and we will answer the questions from our audience. So yeah, the first question, Guangying provide different models of scanner, movable rib saw, and optimizing cut-off saw. So how do I know which model is suitable for me?
Okay, so when we receive the request, you're looking for a machine, and we will send you a questionnaire, which you fill out the forms. So we'll see what kind of raw material you have, and maybe you're doing some pallets or furniture, windows. So we will follow the questionnaire you have and then provide a suitable machine for you. And we also will do some customize if you have some requests, maybe auto in-feed for better feed the board in on the machines.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for your sharing. And I encourage everyone to feel free to leave your questions at our chat box. Okay, so there's the second question. But how does Guangying provide the after-sales service? Do you have the office in Vietnam?
We don't have a office in Vietnam, but for after service right now, due to the COVID-19, so we do online services. Like the other day, we just finished the Zoom online teaching, which is like a classroom that we share our technical skills and teach the customers how the machine works. And we also have a whole system of training, so we can do after service with online. There's no problem.
Okay, thank you. So any further questions? Okay, thanks, Mika. So how long will it take from we place machine orders to we can use machines for starting our production?
Let's see. Okay. We have different models of the machine. So actually, it depends on what kind of model you're ordering. Yeah. So we will give you more details after we get the order.
Okay, thanks for your sharing. So maybe anything else? Anything questions for us? Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so yeah, I think they provide a lot of impressive products. So if there is no further questions, so maybe I would like to wrap up the event today. Okay. So WOODiscover Factory Tour will bring you more exhibitors for the next few days to help you to carve out a niche for yourself. More select suppliers, please stay tuned with us, WOODiscover Factory Tour. And don't forget to visit our online exhibition before May 12th to meet more exhibitors and their display products. Okay, thank you, Mike, again, and see you tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow.